Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we have Salmon patch interstitial keratitis. So what are the causes of interstitial keratitis? Interstitial keratitis can occur due to the congenital syphilis where there is Salmon patch is seen, tuberculosis, Cogan's disease, which is interstitial keratitis associated with deafness, is called as Cogan's disease, sarcoidosis, leprosy, and filariasis. So, Salmon patch or interstitial keratitis is seen in congenital syphilis, tuberculosis, Cogan's syndrome, sarcoidosis, leprosy, and filariasis.
thank you and thank you for watching.